Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the peace and quiet, the calm before the storm. And hopefully there is no storm to talk about. Anyway, today we're watching the weather pretty heavily. It was thundering a little bit earlier, but I think that's going to pass. I think we got a good window to get from here to Fort Smith. We'll just see. If we have to ride in the rain, we have to ride in the rain. That's kind of part of it. I know that Carrie's up here getting the bar open, ready for some breakfast for all the ladies, for the ladies' ride. Should be a great day. We're going to spend the next couple days in Fort Smith, so we can't wait to do that. But yeah, it's like really calm. Weather's not bad. I think it's in the 60s, so notice I'm jacketless. I'll have a jacket on for the ride probably, but anyway, it's just calm and quiet. All you can hear is the birds chirping, and we're ready to get this party started. Nothing like being in the middle of the Ozarks. Anyway, welcome to the International Female Ride Day, and let's see how this turns out. Here we go. Getting all the bikes lined up, getting ready to roll. Let's go see what's going on in here. Everybody's getting ready to go. Here we come. Get ready. And we're up. I'm running tail gunner. I'm trying to keep this group together. International Female Ride Day 2024. Got the full crew up there and a red light in the middle of nowhere. So we made it through our first stop. Now we're stuck in the middle of nowhere behind a red light. We've been dodging rain left and right, but so far so good. It's been a great ride. Getting ready to hit the really fun part of the big trail. Here we go. Everybody lined up. My hair is doing a funky thing. Everybody's lined up here at the overlook on the pig trail. Check this out. Bikes, bikes, and more bikes. And then a bunch of side-by-sides up here. They don't count though. Ladies! Hi guys, welcome to Van Buren, Arkansas. We're over here eating at the Vault. I'll take you in there and show you it in a little bit. They blocked off the road here for bike parking. So, got Witchcraft over there doing her thing. They got live music down the side over here. We've avoided the rain so far today. We've done really good. Anyway, let's go into the Vault here and check it out. I'll take you through the front door so you can see the whole thing. We got some live music in there too. Here we go. Some motorcycles up there. Really cool old place. Check out the old ceiling. Imagine that my wife is no, it's all the time. I can't miss it. What you doing? Pretty cool little place. Over here. Then the bikes are of course cruising down the street here, parking here and in the middle, as you guys saw when I rode through. So they have everything you need. The thing that makes this place unique is they all cruise. So they will cruise this street like all night. Go down, turn around, up, turn around, down, turn around. So if you like to just watch the motorcycles, this would be a great rally for you. That and there's good riding around here too. Lots of restaurants and bars up and down the way. So plenty of places to eat, get a drink, whatever you want to do. Step out here and see if we can show you some of the bikes. Got the police set up all over the place. Kids out here watching the bikes. Very much a family-friendly event. What's up? How are you? I guess they knew me. Anyway, that happens every time I video and somebody's yelling at me. But anyway, they just come down, cruise. Knuckleheads on parade. Alright, so we just ate at everybody's favorite place to eat here, the Rib Room. Great barbecue. Took a while to get our food, but it was great food and great company, so no hurry. Except Mama Badger's still in there. They've got her cornered talking. I have no idea when she's actually going to get here. They got live music out back here. And then right there is where everybody cruises. You can see them doing the loop there. Anyway, that is the Ford Smith Rally. What do you guys think?
Met some new people who hang out in this house. These people are crazy. Yes. They're sitting on my couch. They picked up my guitar and they started to sing a song. But I'm not really here, so I can't sing along. Can't sing along. I'd like to sing a verse, hell I'd like to play, but I'm floating around this place every fucking day. Just look at these people who they're petting my dog. They pick up my guitar and they sing a song. I can't sing along. I can't sing along. Can't sing along. You missed it.
I freaking did.
It's a one-off original, one-of-a-kind.
I did not miss it.
Got it.
He got every piece of it. He got it all. Thank you.
Guys, I do not know how to end this video any better than that. So that is the end of the Steel Horse Rally for us this year and the International Female Women's Ride.
Cheers, ladies.
Good night from Fort Smith, Arkansas. See you tomorrow.
Woo!